What happened, what Pirates did before the game, it's uncalled for, Steve. It's totally wrong. One, Steve. Pirates are the same team that have been putting eggs on both fields. I've never seen such a fight. Chiefs is doing whatever they are doing on their half. Where do you get the authority to stop what they're doing in their own half? I mean, it's divided into two halves. You've got your half to warm up. Chiefs has their half to warm up. So is there a need for you to come and fight Chiefs in their own half? For me, that was disappointing. Why am I saying this? You see, now I'm closer to a Chiefs fan. We can sit next to each other. So you doing that, what are you inclining between the two of us to fight? So that, unfortunately, Pirates fans will hate it, but that was uncalled for. You don't do that. Allow everyone to, if you are doing rituals, why other teams can't do it? And they're doing it in their own half. You see, so why do you have to enter? For me, that was disappointing. I mean, the game even had to be moved, maybe for traffic and all those things. But what Pirates did, I, as a Pirates fan, I'm not happy to see that. Those things are bad for not only us, but for African football. Because that's what Europe sees when they look at what African football fights. We've got pure talent. We've got so much that we can give to the world.
And these ones will never go to World Cup. As long as I'm still alive, I'm going to make sure of that. They are not going to, even a single day, wear Bafana jersey unless they buy it. I'm going to make sure.
Another missed opportunity for your Orlando Pirates. Another game this season, which they should have won, but failed to do so, right? You know, I just got back home from the actual game, right? I was at the FNB Stadium today. And obviously, I'm very disappointed we just dropped points, only to find out that Mamelodi Sundowns were also held to a goalless draw. Emhlathuze, right? So this is why I say it was such a missed opportunity, because if we had won this game, we would have full control of the league. So much so that even if Sundowns win all their games in hand, they still wouldn't be superior than us in terms of goal difference. I mean, it was a Soweto derby. We expected the Kaizer Chiefs to turn up, right? And they did turn up. First of all, they switched their formation, playing with a back four. Something probably Coach Wadu did not anticipate coming into this fixture. I think Utsebang Muremu coming out in the 35th minute was a turning point for Orlando Pirates, right? In terms of their game approach as well, because it meant now Urile has to go and play out wide because Utito Maswanganyi was the player introduced to play in that 10 position. And to be honest, that is the area where we could have won the game, man. And I think if Urile was operating in that position for the whole 90 minutes, we could have gotten something from him, because when he's playing out wide, it's very easy to lock Urile, right? He's not the most physical player, so he usually gets bullied aside very easily. But when you find him in the pockets there, that's when he can pop up in behind defenders, in behind Abomabuyi and them. And that's where he's most dangerous, in and around the area there. So we failed to utilize our most creative player in his natural position, which he has established as a number 10. And then we go into the second half, it's still 0-0, and you could feel with how Kaizer Chiefs started that second half, right? They were on the front foot. You could feel that something is coming. It's just a matter of time. And indeed, something did come, right? Masindi clashes with Talente Mbata, leaving Wandile Duba in acres of space to run into, right? He remains composed, picks up a pass to Pule Modi, who converts in the near post. 1-0 up, and you know, once the Pirates go 1-0 down, it is very, very, very unlikely for them to come back and collect all 3 points. So you knew, especially conceding in the second half, you knew that what we are playing for now is a draw. There's no way we are going to win this game. But the Pirates manages to equalize, right? A rebound shot from Uhoto lands kindly to Sibilibili, who also slots in the near post. And you think there's enough time for us to do something, but that's where the game management comes in with the Kaizer Chiefs. With all their players, you saw about Bradley Cross falling over and wasting time, just taking off the sting from the game. And in our show, I actually did predict that it's going to be a 1-1 draw because I anticipated that the Kaizer Chiefs will score first, and when that happens, it's highly unlikely that the Pirates are going to get all 3 points, like I said. But outstanding performance overall from the Kaizer Chiefs, man. They showed character, right? They were heavily criticized in the first Soweto derby for not showing character, not showing enough fights, and just almost surrendering. But they came back into this fixture knowing how much it meant to take points away from the Orlando Pirates whilst they are still in this title chase. They came with a very strong fighting mentality, and they got the results which they thoroughly deserve. Could have been worse. It could have been worse. They could have gotten all 3 points, but they lacked concentration, and we just simply overwhelmed them. 1-1 is how it finished. Still a lot to play for. We saw that teams are still going to drop points, right? Ever since we started from the international break, Orlando Pirates has dropped 2 points. Mamelodi Sundowns has also dropped 2 points, 2 consecutive draws. It's missed opportunities from both teams, but moreover for your Orlando Pirates, right? Hopefully, the Chiefs can do us a similar favor when they travel to Loftus on the 6th of May next week. But anyways, that's the Soweto derby. Tell me what you think in the comment section. It was a lovely day, man. Thank you, bye.
Oh my God, phone. Abanye bebebhizi bengena ku-inbox wami hayi kaloku nilidrophe i-points nina kwikhosi ngoku ke Sundowns yadlula silinde ividiyo lila kaloku yenza ividiyo khala ndikhalela ntoni why calling? I don't just call kaloku inye team esikompyutha nayo apha eSouth Africa thina yi-Sundowns qha. So after le draw yethu nekhosi ndaqomba okay manilinde kudlale le team sikhompyutha nayo andinangxaki nezinye. Izinto zalapha ebholeni are not guaranteed dead. Le draw ye-Chiefs ne-Pirates ibizaba buhlungu if i-Sundowns ibiwinile. Ngoku ke we are still kule ndawo besikuyo. Ngathi ke ndifowunele i-Sundowns ndibaculele enye ingoma, ikhona enye ingoma endizoyireleasa. Ndi-strong ngengoma ngoku. Ndiye-studio ngoku. Hello sisi. Cela uzazi office Mamelodi Sundowns ezo? Oh okay good. Yes uthetha naye nguye Tumelo Drom, i-speak person sabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates ne-president yabalandeli bebhola Afrika yonke jikelele, every Africa. Danko Richards Bay, danko! Sisekulanda ndawo besikuyo, asitshintshanga sisepha number 1. Sorry? No sis, no sis, ndiyazi uba besingadlali nani, besidlala ne-Chiefs sisadlala i-draw ye-1-1 nani nadlala i-draw ne-Richards Bay ye-not uyayazi bithetha ukuthini loo nto? Mamela ke ndinengoma endiyoyikhupha estudio ithi we are still in position 1 where we belong. Danko Richards Bay, you have done the things. Uyayithanda le ngoma yakho? Usekhona? Utropile. Danko Richards Bay,
Sorry, dog.
Sorry, in.
Draw.
Sorry, draw. Okay. Ngenze njani pin? Ngenze njani? Sorry, angahle. Sorry, in. Sorry, draw. Sorry, draw. Sorry, draw. Nijabule ni shawi draw. Enasaba. Ave nisaba. Yinenza ukuthi ena niwe grounding, niwise. Yinenza ukuthi ukhipha unishawe yini? Ngoba ushaya ibhola walala. 90 minutes ushintsha umdlali. Ushaya 90 minutes ushintsha umdlali, ushintsha lana umdlali. Hayi. Yasaba nje nina. Vele benifuna i-draw vele nina. Hawu, benifuna i-draw nina. Benisaba. Emva kwalokho after 90 minutes masekhisha umdlali ushintsha umdlali, umdlali wenu uyahamba. Uyawalk. Ikwakhe. Sizwa ngaye phela. Hey. Vele benisaba vele. Nisho 90% wabadlali beKaizer Chiefs bafuna vele i-draw ngithi. Athi nishilo, nawe ushilo wathi ufuna i-draw. Nawe ushilo. Ungalokuthi sorry, nawe ushilo ufuna i-draw.
Yeah, sanibona. It is Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Umdlalo phethwe Premiership kule FNB Stadium khona namhlanje. Lo mdlalo uhambe kanje. Right, from the very first second umdlalo uqalile iKaizer Chiefs ibiyifunela idraw. Ubona ngani nge-starting 11? UMabuwe, uNdlovu, uMthethwa. Kanjani kuyaqala abadlali bonke ngalesi sikhathi esiyi-1. uModi kade agcina ukudlala siyambona come to Shufiphi kwi-starting 11. Kungithusileke lokho kodwa into yabo bafethu bayizele iplan yabo by-executed to perfection. Ngani ngoba into kade beyizele bayitholile kwazise umdlalo uphele ngegoli elilodwa ngapha negoli elilodwa ngali. Lo mdlalo ke bafowethu ubumuhle kakhulu emntwini okade engayifuni iwin, umntwini okade efuna idraw. Kodwa ke emntwini njengami othanda ibhola nokade efuna iwin, uborile kakhulu. Kungcono ukudlala neSundowns bakushaya. Yabo, ingakho ngihlale ngithi mina kumina manje these days kule minyaka yamanje igame emnandi engiyibuka iPirates neSundowns. Idabi mina ayisanawo nje mfethu lo mudla cause siyabhedela, omunye une-mentality yokudraw, une-mentality omunye une-mentality yokuwina. Yabo nje isiyabhorela nje mfethu iso dabi sekumbhedo. Kanti uyazi okay fanele madlala neSundowns ingamani sishaye nokuthi stroke. Yabo, ingamani sishaye so bafethu kuyikona kunjalo umdlalo ugcina uphele ngedraw. Angazi uSibisi ubeyapi nebhola. Angazi uSibisi ubeyapi nebhola ubezama ukwenzani kulungileke uSibisi usehambe nebhola. Unemtajela nembona ehlaba umbatha. Unemtajela wadla umbatha ngesicathulo omlahla phansi uduba. Bafethu lantwana composure wayithela ngamanzi abandayo warelaxa walinda wabona ukuthi ekugcineni kuzokwenzakala nakangatatazela. Wabona uModi espacing athatha ibhola alinikeza uModi athatha ibhola alibeke neteam. First shot on target. Guess what? That was their last shot on target egamini. Yabo. UMakgopa angena bafethu kusho ukuthi esikhosta kodwa ngombuthuma. Umbuthuma bafethu yini esayilindele ukuthi sifuna ukuyibona manje. Yabo, yini lengakayenzi sibone ngathi uzoyenza, yini la nepotential ayitshengisayo azoyenza. Angena uHopa Ldino, angena uHoto akhuphuka iphambili ahambe ufuna amagoli ngamanje uHoto adla imbumbulu ugoalkeeper alichithele kuSibelebele. uSibelebele athatha ibhola alibeke neteam. Ngaleyo ndlela umdlalo ugcina uphele ngegoli elilodwa ngapha negoli elilodwa ngali. uPeterson uthola iman of the match. Guess what? He deserved it. Ukuthola kuka-goalkeeper weKaizer Chiefs iman of the match kukutshela ukuthi lokho mfethu asikho isizathu sokuthi uhleke iPirates ukuthi idrokile. Kumele uncome ugoalkeeper wakho ukuthi usebenze ngokukhulu kwimisela cause ukube it wasn't for him ngabe nishayiwe. Yabo, ukube it wasn't for ugoalkeeper wempofana ngabe badliwa. Bafethu congratulations to iKaizer Chiefs ngedraw kade beyifuna. Hard luck to Orlando Pirates ngedraw. Hey, zishintshile ikhathi. A big team celebrating a draw. A big team into yochipa le, into yoMazulu le, into yoRichards Bay le. A big team celebrating a draw. Hlazo.